Welcome. If you've ever posted something on Facebook and wondered why you're not getting notifications when people comment, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to turn on comment notifications on Facebook, completely updated for the latest version of the app. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in to your account. Once the app is open, look at the bottom or top corner of your screen, depending on your device, and tap the menu icon. That's the 3 horizontal lines. Next, scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap it, and then select Settings from the list that appears. This will open your Facebook settings where you can control all your account preferences, including notifications. Once you're in Settings, scroll until you see the section labeled Notifications. Tap on it to open all your notification categories. Here, you'll see a list of the different types of notifications Facebook can send, like tags, friend requests, groups, and more. Now, look for comments in that list. When you tap on comments, you'll open the specific options that control how and when you're notified about comments on your posts. You'll see options to enable notifications for both in-app alerts and push notifications to your phone. Simply turn these options on so you'll be notified every time someone comments on your post, photo, or video. If you want, you can also adjust how you receive those notifications through push, email, or text. That's it. You've successfully turned on comment notifications. From now on, you'll never miss a comment on your posts again. It's a great way to stay connected, reply faster, and keep the conversation going with your friends and followers. Before you go, don't forget to double-check that your notification preferences are saved. Once that's done, you're all set to enjoy a smoother Facebook experience. Thanks for watching.